everyone, this is Annie. Welcome to my channel, Annie's Calligraphy and Art. Today I am going to show you how to write basic strokes in calligraphy. So you need a white paper with grid lines and a Tombow brush pen. So let's get started.
A center line, waistline, baseline, descender line. Upstrokes should be thin, so start from the down and to the up. This is upstrokes. Now downstrokes. Downstroke should be thick, should be start from up to down. This is downstrokes. Overturn strokes. It should start from thin and end with thick strokes, from down to overturn and end with down. Overturn strokes. Underturn strokes. It should start from thick and end with thin, from up to underturn to up. The compound curve. It should start from down, a thin, go up and come down and again go up. Upstroke should be thin and it should be thick. Downstrokes and again upstrokes should be thin. And this is the compound curve. And this is the wrong, which goes apart away from the three lines. It should be closer, so it's known as a compound curve. The oval, it should start from here and down and up. It should be thick and it should be thin. Between the waistline and baseline. Don't go very fast, it gives you wrong strokes. And this is the oval strokes. Start from the baseline and goes up the center line and comes to the descender line. Upstroke should be thin and downstroke should be thick. And this is ascending loop. It starts from the ascender line and comes to the descender line and ends with baseline. The downstroke should be thick and upstroke should be thin. This is a descending loop. So now I take another sheet to do all the basics to strokes together. Upstrokes should be thin, and make sure while you're writing the angle should be 45 degree. And now downstrokes should be thick. Overturn stroke should be start thin and end with thick strokes, and underturn strokes thick and thin. Compound curve starts upstrokes thin, downstrokes thick, upstrokes thin. The oval, start from here in between the baseline and waistline, thick and thin strokes, thick and thin, and never join like a dot, it's a wrong one. Thick and thin. The ascending loop, upstroke should be thin and downstroke should be thick. Start from the baseline and ends with a descender line. Descending loop, start from the ascender line and ends with the baseline. Downstroke should be thick, upstroke should be thin. And these are the basic strokes.
If you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, post your feedback and queries in the comment section. Follow me on Insta. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.